Now, it's important to look at what is currently developing in as far as education is concerned. And the national officials of Teachers Union, KUPPET, are at this moment addressing the media regarding the ongoing strike by teachers affiliated to it. Let us cross over there live and listen in to what they are currently saying.
Any other thing?
The fact that TSC has now moved to court and where we are, on the back of the fact that on Monday they decided engaging with the Ministry of Labour to try and find a solution to this. What does this move to court by TSC therefore mean for the talks that began on Monday?
It is bad faith. It is engaging the social partners in bad faith. That's why they moved to court. In fact, they are hinted to us that they cannot go before anybody. But now they are moved to court. That is an adversarial means. They want not to be told why the teachers are on strike. How teachers of this country are the only lot who are stagnating in one job group for over 25 years. Which is a very immoral act by a very irresponsible commission. So we cannot, at this juncture, say that we are ready. They have negated the principles of our 2017-2021 CBA. They don't want anybody to listen to that. One of the things in that CBA is that every school must have a principal. We have over 4,000 principals acting in positions, yet the commission had said, and in the agreement, that they will formally give substantive appointment. We have deputy principals serving in acting capacity, and they don't want to be told. They don't even want to pay them special allowance. They don't want to pay them special duty allowance, even acting allowance. Surely. They have abused all laws in the land. They are going to court with unclean hands. I wonder whether this court will listen to them when we appear before it. They have blatantly, even in engagement of these interns, the court had rendered a judgment in April. Bure kabisa. In fact, Teacher Service Commission, the people who are presiding over it should watch out. Should watch out. They have killed the morale of teachers. If you are now intimidating teachers using orders, are you sure you are dealing with papers or you are dealing with human beings? KUPPET power! KUPPET power! Thank you.
Well, there you have it, Akelo Misori, just giving the address there on behalf of KUPPET and teachers on strike affiliated to KUPPET, and as far as the concerns